Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to make or how to create a video from PowerPoint photos or for PowerPoint slides. Here I have some photos here. How many photos are there? Almost 5 photos are there. So I want to just make a video from these slides. Okay. First of all, we should go to save as. Now here we can give any name, suppose a video. Okay, and then here open this drop down list. You have many options here. You can save it as a GPG, a PNG. They are only like kind of photos, or even you can save it as it is, like in the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, but here I want to save it as a video. Actually I want to create a video from this. We have option here, Windows media video. Okay, click on that or select this one, this option, and then just choose a file. Suppose I want to save it somewhere in drive D. Okay, where is that? This here only, and then in this, inside this OBS. Okay, now I will go for save. Remember, when I start this save, something some option will come here. Okay, remember that. And now I want to click here, save. See, creating video. Now it will make or it will create one video from these slides. It's going on, it's just creating. We should wait till this will be finished. After that we can find that name. What was the name? It was video, and it was inside the OBS file, inside the D drive. So it will take a little time, don't worry. I will skip a little of the video because it will get boring. Okay guys, it's finished now. Come with me and find out that inside OBS we should find that video. This is here only. Now click on that, it will be opened. See, now it's exactly video. Isn't it nice? So this is the way we can just create videos from PowerPoint files, or I can say from PowerPoint slides. Yeah,